February 1st marks the first day of spring and the arrival of the longer, warmer and brighter days. It also celebrates Fhéile Bríde or Saint Brigid's Day. One of Ireland's patron saints, Saint Brigid was known to use her creativity to perform miracles. In recent years, Saint Brigid's Day has become an occasion that we celebrate the creativity, talent and genius of Irish women both at home and abroad. On this Saint Brigid's Day we ask, which Irish creative women inspires you?
When I think of creative women and women that Brigid may have inspired here in Kildare, I think of authors such as Orla McAlinden, Lynn Buckley, Hazel Gaynor. We have fantastic sculptresses such as Annette McCormack and Eleanor Swan.
Sí Sally Rooney an bhean próg Éireannach a spreagadh tuis go bhfuil prófiúil scríbhneoirí óga na hÉireann ordaithe aici go hidirnáisiúnta lena leabhar iontacha.
The creative woman who inspires me is Mary Reynolds. Mary is our county librarian and Longford Creative Highland coordinator.
The creative female who inspires me is Lady Gregory because of her key role in the Irish literacy revival, thus inspiring more creative females.
Cumann na man na manáfia chróga a ghlach parts an éirí machnéideach sa séideach.
We will all experience brighter days together in the future, days when we can be creative and collaborate together. So on this St. Brigid's Day, let us celebrate the creative women in our lives, tag the creative women that inspire you below.